We're here today for Synoptek's seminar series. Today's topic was on cybersecurity. These seminars are where we share information, but we also do workshops. People bring their real-world problems, they can network with their peers, and everyone learns and engages.
The content of this seminar definitely met my expectations. I was able to interact with the speakers. They were able to answer questions and not have to get back to me. They're very knowledgeable, all the speakers that were here.
This event has been very helpful in kind of looking at new products and services to help us manage our cybersecurity posture. We've been increasing the number of in-house applications that we've built. We now utilize more third-party applications, and you have to kind of wrap all of that into a very comprehensive security and protection these days, because there's data that the bad guys want that we have to protect, and I need products and services to do that. Synoptek have definitely given us a good understanding of where we want to go with our cybersecurity strategy.